I was away for a week, and while I was gone, our contractor was able to come and level the flooring and put in this sheet vinyl for us. It came from Home Depot. Online it was very yellow, but in person I really liked how it looks. It goes all the way down to the bedroom there and through this entryway that leads to our bedroom and the schoolroom, and it was only 40 cents a square foot. So I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I wanted to show you the bathroom before I start putting up shower curtains and everything. We have extra blocking in the walls to hold everything. This heavy medicine cabinet with 3 doors, the double curtain rod. Of course, we still need to put the crown molding at the ceiling and the baseboard molding and the 2 doors, but we're so excited to have a working bathroom. Let me show you inside the medicine cabinet. It has 3 doors that open, but they're not separate compartments. The 2 long shelves go all the way across. I need to seal the countertop, and there is a drawer at the bottom of the cabinet, so our plumbing had to come through the wall, not the floor. So that's how that turned out. I have 2 more drawers here on the side, which are soft close, so they're not used to opening yet. The sink is off center. This was the largest vanity we could fit in our space. And so by having the sink off center, I have more countertop room on the right. And I really like that feature. So I did get a bigger light. I had a smaller one, and I'm glad I got a bigger one for the proportions of the medicine cabinet. We need to cut out this laundry pass-through and put the cabinet doors on the wall. And there's our bathroom. I'm going to now go show you what the kitchen looks like right now in real life. But before I do, here's what the bathroom looks like from the other side. And there's plenty of room to walk through right here. And we're just so happy how this bathroom remodel has turned out. And this is the real life of our kitchen right now. Of course, we did just get back from a trip, but that doesn't really matter. It looked like this before we left. Our kitchen flooring is here on the floor. I would really like to put the same flooring as the bathroom upstairs, but we already bought this flooring, so that's probably what's going to go in. And the ceiling isn't done yet, so I will be so glad when I get a ceiling and a floor and I'm able to clean everything up like it should be. One more thing I wanted to show you about our bathroom upstairs. It has 3 recessed lights plus the heater fan light. So there's a heater in the ceiling, and the lights are dimmable with a touch of a button so that we don't have to have a bright light in the middle of the night. And I really like that feature. So thanks for watching.